Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Pavni. How are you doing?
Ma'am, I'm good. How are you?
Good, good, good. I am also good. Okay.
Good afternoon,
Good afternoon.
ma'am.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am, actually,
afternoon,
there
ma'am.
was some
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Kanika.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, Viresh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. हाँ, पानी.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, बेटा कार्की. Good afternoon, beta. Okay. Anybody who is new to the class, new in the sense, the one who did not attend in the previous class? Okay, fine.
Ma'am, are we going to continue with that worksheet?
आप बताओ वर्कशीट कंटिन्यू कर ले. थोड़ी सी बची है, फिनिश कर लेते हैं उसको, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Though that worksheet has 100 questions, we are not able to finish even 40. Let me share. Let me share the screen.
Ma'am, can you also please send these like questions on the group?
I'll send. Wait, let me share the screen also. Array. Okay, wait. Share. I need to go to WhatsApp, right?
Subject.
Beta, we'll continue with the worksheet. अभी हाथ
Okay,
के हाथ
ma'am.
finish ना, हाथ के हाथ we'll discuss. I'll not tell you to wait or do it. अभी जैसे हम लोग continuation में कर रहे थे, we'll carry on with that only.
Okay, ma'am.
Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We were on which question?
Ma'am, we have until 33.
33.
हाँ, 34. What is
Ma'am, can you please repeat question 28 answer?
34.
what bounded the Habsburg Empire? Pavni gave the answer. Yes, Pavni.
Ma'am,
हाँ, दिए.
ma'am, the common allegiance.
हाँ, the common allegiance. Got it, Viresh?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it.
Just a second. Right. Now we were on this question. What did liberalism stood for middle class?
Ma'am, can you just repeat the 33 one?
Who adopted the idea of abolition of aristocratic privileges? Yes, Viresh, tell.
Ma'am, the liberal middle classes.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It was the liberal middle classes. ठीक है?
Ma'am, liberal educated
Educated middle
class.
classes. ठीक है. चलिए. Next question. What did liberalism stood for middle classes?
Freedom and equality of all.
Freedom and equality for
Equality of all.
हाँ,
Equality of all.
of all. ठीक है.
All.
Very good. Very good. Next. Who will answer the next question?
May I?
Yes. Okay. When and why was the French spoken?
French was spoken in early 19th century for the purpose of showing diplomacy and high society.
Very good. ये अनन्या सिंह भी अभी आ रही है बेटा. Just a second. हाँ. French was spoken. French was spoken.
For the purpose of diplomacy.
हाँ, for the purpose of
And
diplomacy.
in higher societies.
हाँ.
Aristocrats used to speak.
By the aristocracy in Europe. Very good. Next question. The bulk of land on the west was formed by
Serfs.
by the
Serfs.
serfs. Very good.
Tenants are small owners.
Huh?
Ma'am, serfs are for the east.
नहीं, ये कह रहा है the bulk of land on the west. The bulk of land on the west was farmed by, बेटा ये farmed नहीं है, farmed होना चाहिए by tenants and small owners.
Yes, ma'am.
It is tenants and small owners. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next is
Sorry, ma'am. 38 was the answer as well.
कोई नहीं. While in east of Central Europe was cultivated by the serfs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what did industrial production and trade meant in Central Europe? Yes, Gargi.
And it meant the growth of towns and the emergence of commercial classes.
Yes, the growth of towns and the emergence of commercial classes. Very good. When did industrialization began in England?
Second half of
Mid half of 18th century.
Yes, in the second mid
Mid half of the 18th century. Mid half.
18th century or mid half of the 18th century, right? Okay, now coming to the next question. Shall we go for it?
Ma'am,
हाँ? और questions कर ले?
Ma'am, can you share the civics chapter 2 flowcharts?
बेटा करे नहीं हमने?
Ma'am, flowchart. No, ma'am. Ma'am, chapter 2.
चलो ठीक है, हम I'll share it in the evening. Okay? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, इसको हम जरा डाउनलोड कर ले. चलिए. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it showing?
Print culture and the modern
chapter
world.
7.
Chapter 7.
चलो चलो हम आ रहे हैं चैप्टर 1 पे. आ गए हम चैप्टर 1 पे. ठीक है, ये तो हमारे 40
Yes,
क्वेश्चन.
ma'am.
नाउ
Yes.
फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ये आप आ जाओ. व्हाट इज सफरेज? राघव राज, व्हाट इज सफरेज? राघव, class.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Puneet.
Ma'am, it is the right to vote.
Right to vote. Very good. During which brief period did every adult male enjoy the suffrage? Gargi?
Pardon, ma'am.
Question number 42. During which brief period did every adult male enjoy suffrage?
Ma'am, under the Jacobean regime.
Very good. Under the Jacobians, every adult male enjoyed suffrage. First political experiment was done in? When was the?
Liberal democracy.
Under the? बेटा इसका आंसर बताओ ना. First political experiment was done in?
Ma'am, searching.
Okay. Searching in the book only? Fine.
Ma'am, in the revolutionary France.
In the revolutionary France. Very good. Next is, who in France was?
Ma'am, but there are two flags.
नहीं वो
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
नहीं वो रेवोल्यूशनरी फ्रांस ही होगा. ठीक है, वो कॉमा
Okay,
हट
ma'am.
जाएगा. ठीक है, वो बाय मिसप्रिंट है, वो बाय मिस्टेक आ गया है. Who in France has exclusive right to vote? Had होना चाहिए. Who in France had exclusive right to vote?
Property owning men.
Property owning man.
Very good. The property owning men. Very good. Then who were excluded from voting?
Ma'am,
Women.
man without
Man without property and all women.
Very
all
good.
women and man without property.
All women and man without property. Men without property were excluded from voting. What was the status of
Yes.
women? What was the status of women?
And they were considered to be the
vote
property of their.
The status of a minor.
They were reduced to the
They have
status
to
of
look for the
minor.
house force.
They were reduced to the status of a minor and they were subject to authority of fathers and right. Okay. Liberalism in economic sphere stood for? Viresh?
Freedom of market and abolition of state imposed restrictions on the movement of goods and capital.
Very good, Jigyasa.
And ma'am, during the 19th century, this was a strong demand of emerging middle class.
Middle classes. ठीक है, चलो. Very good. Then what was Zolverin? Ananya, are you there, Ananya?
May I?
Okay,
Ma'am, may
Naina.
I?
Naina.
May I?
चलो नैना को try करने.
Zollverein was a custom union.
Okay, Zolverin was a customs union. Very good.
Ma'am, it was formed at the initiative of Prussia.
That is,
Where and when was it formed?
ma'am, in 1854.
Ma'am, it is formed in 1834 and
Ma'am, in 1834.
At the initiative of Prussia, right?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Who initiated Zolverin? Prussia. Then Prussia. There were dash barriers, paid dash duty at each.
There were tariff barriers
Okay.
and paid custom duties.
Very good. And paid the custom duties. What was the problem with weight and measures? Wait, ऐसे नहीं बताएगा कोई भी. रुको 2 minutes. Let me see who all are there. हर्ष
Yes,
तोमर,
ma'am.
बताओ इसका आंसर बताओ.
Ma'am,
बताओ.
each state possess its own currency, weight, and measures. So, ma'am, merchants live in 1833 from Hamburg to Nuremberg. They have to sell their goods passing through 11 custom barriers and pay a custom duty of about 5% at each one of them.
ठीक है. So आप इसको सिंपल उसमें अगर ये 1 mark का आंसर क्वेश्चन है तो इसको आप सिंपल में क्या लिखोगे लैंग्वेज में? What was the problem with weights and measures? That it was not unified. There were different weights and measures in different territories or the regions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो. Then what is unified economics territory? ये रहने दो, ये आपका जो है सोर्स में से दिया है. Leave this question. What were the ideas
Okay.
of, हाँ ये भी छोड़ दो. What were the ideas of Frederick List regarding national economy? New conservatism.
Ma'am, the questions from source will come.
They will come, but then not these type of questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, ये तो ये actually अब इस बार there is no deletion from the syllabus. No, all the chapters are there. Last time because most of the chapters were deleted, only two chapters were there. So that is why minutely things were, gone through. We had gone through things minutely. We had framed questions also from the sources and everything. Right? As of now, there is no change in the syllabus. Everything is coming. All the chapters those were deleted in the previous year, they all are now part of your curriculum. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, चलिए. What was conservatism? प्रांजल.
May I?
रुको प्रांजल को बताने दो. प्रांजल.
Yes.
Pranjal, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए बेटा, इसका आंसर बताओ. What was conservatism?
Ma'am, don't.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay,
Ma'am,
yes.
may I?
Aiza.
May I?
Wait. Aiza को बताने दो. Aiza बताओ.
Ma'am, a political philosophy that stressed the importance of tradition, established institutions and customs, and preferred gradual development to quick change.
Okay, very good. See, in new words of the chapter, page 10, it is given. Okay, what is conservatism?
Yes, ma'am.
What was their belief?
May I tell?
May I tell?
रुको. जुझार.
Ma'am, conservatives believed that established traditional institution of state and society should be preserved.
Very good. Very good. Next is what
May
major.
I?
Wait, अरे रुको भाई. कहाँ गया question? हाँ. Which countries comprised the Congress that met in 1815? रुको. मोहित गंगवार.
Yes, ma'am.
बताओ इसका आंसर बच्चे.
Ma'am, it was Germany.
बेटा कंट्रीज पूछा है, कंट्री नहीं.
May I?
Oh,
May I tell?
रुको बताने दो बेटा, बताने दो.
ma'am,
Bata-
Prussia, Britain, Austria, and Russia.
Very good.
Prep countries.
Very good. Which countries you said?
Ma'am, Prep, PRAB.
Okay.
Prussia, Russia, Austria, Britain.
Very good. There are several ways how to learn, how to remember. So you have told them how to learn, right? Very good. How to keep it there in mind. Well done. Next is who hosted the Congress of Vienna?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Duke,
May
madam.
I?
Srishti Gautam.
Oh.
Srishti Gautam. Srishti, are you there? Srishti. Arey Baba, Srishti is not there. Okay, let Aiza, अच्छा नहीं, Aiza ने बताया अभी. चलो, let Pavni answer the question. Pavni बताओ.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बताओ. Answer to this question. Who hosted the Congress of Vienna?
Ma'am, Austrian Chancellor Duke.
हाँ, Austrian Chancellor Duke Metternich. Very good. Next. Which treaty was drawn by the Congress? Viresh.
May I?
Viresh, रुको.
Ma'am, the Treaty of Vienna was drawn by the Congress.
हाँ, the Treaty of Vienna. Very good. What was the objective of the treaty? ये पुनीत बताएंगे. पुनीत
May
बताओ.
I?
पुनीत.
And the objective of the treaty is that
Was.
undoing come about in. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Tell.
The objective was that to undo the changes that had been come in Europe during the Napoleon Wars.
That had to undo the changes that had come during the Napoleonic Wars. Okay, very good. Or to undo the changes that were brought by Napoleon. Simple. Next is Jigyasa will answer this question.
Yes, ma'am.
Which dynasty was reinstated?
Ma'am,
Which
Bourbon dynasty.
Okay, Bourbon dynasty was reinstated. Very good. Fine. This question goes to Kanika Chauhan. Kanika, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, how were state boundaries created to check France from expanding? Write the names of the states. Like you can you see blanks and arrows are given?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
could you please scroll down, ma'am? It's given half.
Wait. Let me. Okay, it is half. So after scrolling.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's.
There we get.
Ma'am, now it is.
Chalo, Kanika, tell.
Just a minute, ma'am. Ma'am, all the states were lined up.
See, you need to specify the names. Like here it is written NE, So what is this NE and what is this BE? Anybody else?
Ma'am, Netherlands.
Very good. Netherlands. Yes, Gargi.
Ma'am, BE Belgium.
BE Belgium. Very good. Are you?
Russia.
Ma'am, Russia.
Russia was given what?
Northern Italy.
Ma'am, Poland.
Huh? Russia was given
Ma'am, Poland.
In the part of Poland.
Part of
Yes,
Poland.
ma'am. Part of Poland.
Poland. Very good. Then AVS. What is this AVS? Given control of?
It should be Austria.
Yes,
Austria.
Yes, ma'am. Austria.
Northern Italy.
Was given control of Northern Italy. Very
Northern
good.
Italy.
Northern Italy, yes, ma'am.
Then Prussia was given a
Ma'am,
Prussia was
ma'am,
given of Saxony.
Saxony.
given a portion of Saxony. Very good. Then what is this G?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Genoa.
Ma'am, Genoa.
Huh?
Genoa was
Ma'am,
added
Piedmont.
to
Piedmont. Very good. Genoa was added to Piedmont in the south. Very good. Which region was kept as untouched? Pavni?
Yes, ma'am.
Which region was kept as untouched?
Ma'am, the German Confederation of 39 states.
Very good. The German Confederation of 39 states was kept as untouched. What type of regime was set up in 1815?
Ma'am, conservative regime.
Conservative regime. Very good. What major issue did the liberal nationalists take up?
Ma'am, censorship.
Yes, abolition of censorship. Very good. They took up the issue of abolishing the censorship, or you can say freedom of press, right? Right? Huh. Then next is what were the impositions done by the conservative regimes?
They imposed censorship laws.
They imposed
Censorship laws.
They imposed the censorship laws to control what was said in the newspapers, books, plays, and songs. Chaliye, theek hai.
Can you please repeat?
See, the impositions done by the conservative regimes were that the censorship laws were made to control what was said in the newspapers, books, plays, songs. Right?
Okay.
Then what issue was taken by the liberal nationalist? Freedom of press हो गया. ये बात एक ही है, ठीक है दोनों का. Then age of revolution 1830. इस पे आ जाओ. What did it mean to be a revolutionary? बताओ.
Ma'am,
A
to
commitment
speak
to
against the
oppose
conservative
monarchical
regime.
forms.
हाँ. What? Wait, Jujhar, wait. What did it mean to be a revolutionary? Somebody answered this question other than Jujhar.
A commitment to oppose monarchical forms.
हाँ. Commitment to oppose monarchical forms. Very good. This was Srishti.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Jujhar, what was your answer, beta?
Ma'am, to speak against the monarchical form of government.
ठीक है. दोनों के आंसर ठीक है. ठीक है. Very good. Name an Italian revolutionary. Srishti.
Giuseppe Mazzini.
Giuseppe Mazzini. Okay. Then Mazzini was born in. अच्छा ठीक है. This answer to be answered by Aiza. Aiza, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. Answer this question.
Ma'am, Mazzini was born in Genoa in 1807. He was a member of secret society Carbonari.
हाँ. He was sent to. He was sent to. Where was he sent?
Sent to
हाँ, to exile.
for attempting a revolution in
Liguria.
Liguria.
Very good. Then name two underground societies. Jujhar.
Ma'am, Young Europe and Young Italy.
Very good. Young Europe and Young Italy. What was the reaction to Mazzini's revolution by the conservatives? बताओ. Yes, Puneet. How did conservatives? बेटा पुनीत बता तो रहे हैं. Is Puneet not telling? Then okay, Raghav, बताओ बेटा.
And he said that they are the biggest enemy of our social order.
हाँ. नहीं.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, बेटा बताओ.
The most dangerous enemy of our social order.
Okay. ठीक है. The most dangerous enemy of the social order. Very good. Who was the Austrian chancellor?
Duke Metternich.
Duke Metternich.
He said what the most dangerous enemy of the social order. This he said for whom?
Ma'am, France.
Ma'am, Giuseppe Mazzini.
Mazzini.
Yes, yes. Name the places of revolutionary activities in Europe. Name the places of revolutionary activities
Ma'am,
in
Germany,
Europe. Germany,
France, Switzerland and Poland.
Switzerland and Poland.
Very good. Germany,
Ma'am,
France,
Italy.
Switzerland and Poland. Very good. When did the first upheaval took place in France?
July 1830.
Very good. July 1830. Then who was Louis Philippe? Who was Louis Philippe?
I mean, he was a constitutional monarchy, which was
Mami installed
by liberals.
हाँ.
Called a constitutional monarchy.
Beta, you can simply write that Louis Philippe was the head of the constitutional monarchy in France, right?
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, next is ठीक है, next is what was the famous remark by Metternich about France?
When
Gargi?
France
When
sneezes,
When France seizes, the rest of Europe catches cold.
Very
France sneezes, the rest of
Huh?
Europe catches cold.
Very good. See, these phrases which are there, no, they are very important. Most of the times they give you questions on this. Okay. Either they
Okay,
ask you,
ma'am.
either they ask you what was quoted, and or they simply ask you who said this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Both ways you need to remember. Okay. Next question is, why did Belgium break away from UK of Netherlands?
Ma'am, the July Revolution has sparked an uprising in Brussels, which led to Belgium breaking away from the United Kingdom of Netherlands.
Very good. It was the July Revolution that sparked an uprising in Brussels, and the ultimate result of that was that Belgium broke away from the UK of Netherlands. Very good. Dash had been part of Dash Empire since Dash century. ये जुझार बताएंगे इसका. रुको रुको, जुझार बताओ. कनिका knows?
Ma'am, Greece has been a part of Ottoman Empire since 15th century.
Okay, chalo. Next question, Kanika. Greek War of Independence began in
1821.
1821. Very good. Next.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Nana, which treaty recognized the independence of Greek?
Ma'am, actually, I have a problem. We are going very fast. I'm not able to write all the answers.
Okay. We'll go slow.
Yes, ma'am. I am also.
Okay, so sorry. Chalo. Which treaty recognized the independence of Greek?
Ma'am, Treaty of
Treaty of Constantinople.
The Treaty of Constantinople of 1832. Right. Then next is, what was Romanticism?
Ma'am, a cultural movement, nationalist sentiment.
Romanticism was a cultural movement which sought to develop a particular form of nationalist sentiment. Very good. Do I need to repeat this answer? Beta, do I need to repeat? All have written?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who was John Gottfried?
And he was a German philosopher.
Very good. He was a German philosopher. What
He
was
was German.
What was his claim?
Ma'am, he claimed
True
that
German culture is about to be discovered.
true German culture was
Between the people.
common.
He claimed that the true German culture was to be discovered among the common people, thy folk, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good, class. Next, explain the terms. ये term used for common people क्या होगा?
Ma'am, Das Volk.
thy folk. Very good. Thy folk. And term for nation?
Vosges.
Folkgist. ठीक है. Very good.
Next, we will do all of them in the
जितना कर सकते हैं. नहीं, नोटबुक में मत करो. ये सारे बेटा these are all extract based questions जो कि कंपाइल कर दिए गए हैं. ठीक है. तो ये it is to make your work easy. जो हम पैराग्राफ, जो हम extract based questions आपको कह रहे थे करने के लिए, वो आप इसी में सब ले लीजिएगा. ठीक है.
Ma'am, but we are writing it since long.
लिख लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बेटा. लिख लोगे तो आप ही के लिए आसानी है. पता है, अगर क्वेश्चन आपके पास होगा तो आपको इजी रहेगा आंसर उसका देने में. जो नहीं कर रहे हैं,
share the PDF.
हाँ, I'll share it with you people. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
When was Poland partitioned? When was Poland partitioned?
Ma'am, at the end of the 18th century.
Very good, Jigyasa. At the end of 18th century. Next question is, who had divided Poland?
Ma'am, great powers.
Okay.
Russia,
Ah,
And Austria.
yes, the great powers of Russia, Prussia, and Austria. Very good. Then who comprised great powers? वो भी हो गया. Name two popular dances of Poland. Beta, two popular dances of Poland.
Polonaise and Marzuka.
हाँ, very good. Polonaise and Mazurka. Very good, Srishti. What was the nationalist symbol of Poland?
Language.
Folk dances.
Folk dances. Folk dances. ठीक है, folk dances. Who popularized them? इन dances को किसने popularize करा था? हाँ, Carol Karpnicki. Carol. हाँ, very good. Then, which language was imposed in Polish schools?
Russian language.
Russian.
Language. Very good. How did clergy protest?
Ma'am, they began to use language as weapon of national resistance.
Yes, they started using language as the
National resistance.
weapon of national resistance. Very good. What was the reaction of Russians? What was the reaction of the Russians?
Ma'am, a large number of priests and bishops were put in jail or sent to Siberia by the Russian authorities as punishment for their refusal to preach in Russian.
Very good. Very good, Jigyasa. This is the correct answer. Then, when did the weavers revolt in Cilicia? When did the weavers revolt in Cilicia? Yes.
Ma'am, 1845.
Yes, 1845. Very good. Romantic artists criticized glorification of dash and dash.
Ma'am, glorification
Science.
of reason and science.
Reason and science. And rather focused on dash, dash, and dash.
Emotions, institution, and
Emotions,
mysticism.
Intuition, beta, intuition. Emotions, intuition, and mystical feelings. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ji, bacha.
Ma'am, where is this line for the 96th question?
Question number 96.
Yes, ma'am.
It is given on
Yes,
page
ma'am.
number 13, last line.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है? चलो. Then, which year was the year of great hardship in Europe?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
the 1830s.
Very good. 1830s. The year of 1830s was the year of great hardship in Europe. Next, name the author of Grimm fairy tales, which year they published their first collections of tales. ये ग्रिम फेरी टेल्स के ऑथर कौन थे और किस ईयर में इन्होंने अपना फर्स्ट कलेक्शन निकाला था टेल्स का? पेज नंबर 15 पे इट इज गिवन. लेट मी सी.
Jacob and Wilhelm Grimm.
Jacob and William.
Ma'am Wilhelm Grimm and in 12.
बेटा आप इसको सिंपल ये भी बता सकते हो, ग्रिम ब्रदर्स were the author of Grimm fairy tales, namely so and so. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
1800 and which year this was published?
Ma'am, 1812.
Yes, 1812.